As many Canadians take to the skies this holiday weekend, they can reasonably expect that they'll be better protected in the event that something goes wrong. That's because the new air passenger protection rules came into effect. The first of them in July, the rest of them this month. But as Global News has discovered, some airlines are trying to find a way around some of those particular provisions. For example, if your flights are delayed or if there is a problem with your baggage, well, those rules provide for payment to you. That is, in fact, in place right now. But we have discovered that some airlines have gone to court because they don't want to have to pay those penalties. A consortium of airlines has gone to the Federal Court of Canada this week. They filed 600 pages of documents arguing that they should be exempt from paying those penalties. And a critic of the passenger rights rules says these new protections don't go far enough anyway. Here's what Gabor Lukács has to say.
The average airline passenger should know that the government has already shortchanged them with the new rules. The new rules provide no compensation for most cases of flight delays and cancellations. And now the airlines are even trying to take away the compensation that might be in a few exceptional cases when the airline admits that it was shortage of crew or something of that nature causing the flight delay or cancellation.
Now, these passengers who are standing online to get on board can understand that if they do run into a problem with delays and that sort of thing, they will be subject to the current rules. But it's interesting that these airlines, which include Porter Airlines and Delta Airlines and a whole range of airlines, don't want to have to pay these extra fees on these international flights. And that is a big deal if they're able to do it. And it's interesting, very interesting, that they filed this motion in the federal court just 2 days ago, just as we go into this very busy holiday period when not a lot of people are concerned about what's going on in court, but they're very concerned about whether they're going to be able to get from point A to point B and whether their bags are going to make it with them too. We have much more on this story on globalnews.ca.